Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we will explain how you can sell a call option on Robinhood. So let's get started. First, scroll down to the Stocks and F section. Here, you will see a list of companies that you own or have on hand. These are the ones you can use for options trading. Remember, to sell a covered call, you must have at least 100 shares of a stock. For today's example, let's use Google. Tap on Google, and it will open the stocks page. Now, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled Trade. Tap on it, and then select Trade Options. Once you do that, Robinhood will bring you to the Options Trading section. If you are new to options, this area can help you better understand how everything works. But for today's tutorial, we will focus on creating a covered call. Select the covered call strategy. This will open a page showing your available expiration dates and strike prices. You might see a message saying the strategy is expired if the example date has already passed, so make sure to pick a valid future date. For instance, let's choose November 15th as our expiration date. You will now see a list of strike prices and premiums. The current share price is shown near the top, and based on your strategy, you can choose a strike price either above or below that. For this example, let's pick a strike price of $195, which currently trades for $0.04 per contract. Tap on that option. Since we have 100 shares, we can sell one covered call contract. If you own 200 shares, you could sell 2 contracts. The app will automatically display the contract details, including your maximum profit, break-even point, and potential losses. Review this information carefully. If everything looks good, tap Review, and take a moment to read through your order summary to make sure everything is correct. This is especially important if you are new to options trading. Once you are ready, simply swipe up to submit the order. Then, wait to see if the order gets filled. If it does, you will find it listed under the Options section in your Robinhood account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.